Hey there, Money Mavens! Welcome to Ace Wealth Raiser, where we will be diving into all things related to the world of finance, economics, and business. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just a beginner learning the ropes, we've got something for you. From breaking down the latest market trends to decoding complex financial concepts, we are here to help you level up your financial game. Real estate investing can be a lucrative and rewarding way to build long-term wealth, generate passive income, and diversify your investment portfolio. However, it is important to approach real estate investing with careful planning and preparation to avoid costly mistakes and ensure success. In this video, we'll explore 8 top tips on how to start investing in real estate, covering everything from developing a solid financial plan to managing your properties effectively. By following these tips, you can set yourself up for success and achieve your real estate investment goals. Number 1. Determine your investment goals. Before you start investing in real estate, it is important to define your investment goals. Consider what type of property you want to invest in, residential or commercial, your budget, and your expected return on investment or ROI. These will help you narrow down your search and focus on properties that align with your investment objectives. Are you looking to invest in residential or commercial properties? What is your budget? What is your expected return on investment? For example, you may want to invest in residential properties with the goal of generating passive income through rental income or flipping properties for profit. Number 2. Develop a solid financial plan. Real estate investing can be expensive, so it is important to have a solid financial plan in place before you start. This should include a clear budget, an assessment of your financial position, including credit score, income, and expenses, and a strategy for financing your investment. For example, mortgage, private lender, or other sources. Determine your financial position by assessing your credit score, income, and expenses. Develop a budget that takes into account all potential expenses such as property maintenance, repairs, taxes, and insurance. Determine your financial strategy, such as whether you'll use a mortgage or private lender. Number 3. Research the market. One of the keys to successful real estate investing is a thorough understanding of the market. Conduct research on the local real estate market, including property values, rental rates, supply and demand, and trends. This will help you identify areas where the market is growing and where you can get the best ROI. Use online tools. There are various online tools available that can help you research the real estate market. Some of these tools include Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com. These websites can provide you with valuable information such as property values, rental rates, and trends in specific neighborhoods. Attend open houses. Attending open houses can give you a feel for the local real estate market. You'll be able to see firsthand what types of properties are available, how they are priced, and how they are being marketed. Talk to real estate agents. Local real estate agents can provide you with valuable insight into the local market. They can tell you about the current trends, which neighborhoods are in demand, and which properties are likely to provide the best ROI. Check local newspapers and real estate publications. Local newspapers and real estate publications often contain valuable information about the real estate market in your area. They may have articles about new developments, market trends, or interviews with local experts. Liking this video? Give us a thumbs up. You can like, share, and subscribe to the video to be updated on the latest business topics. Number 4. Build a team of professionals. Real estate investing is a complex process, so it is important to have a team of professionals who can help you guide through it. For example, real estate agent. Find a real estate agent who is experienced in the type of real estate investing you're interested in. Look for someone who has a good understanding of the local market and can help you find properties that can match your investment goals. Attorney. Hire an attorney who specializes in real estate law. This person can help you navigate the legal aspects of real estate investing, such as reviewing contracts and ensuring compliance with local laws and regulations. Accountant. Hire an accountant who is familiar with real estate investing. This person can help you manage your finances and taxes and ensure that you are taking advantage of all available deductions. Contractor. Find a reliable contractor who can help you with property repairs and renovations. Look for someone with a good reputation and a track record of completing projects on time and within budget. Property manager. Consider hiring a property manager to help you manage your properties effectively. This person can handle tasks such as finding tenants, collecting rent, and dealing with maintenance and repairs. Number 5. Look for properties that match your investment goals. Once you have a clear understanding of your investment goals, it is time to start looking for properties that match those goals. Look for properties that are located in areas with strong growth potential, have a high demand for rentals, and are priced within your budget. For example, networking with other real estate investors can be a great way to find properties that match your investment goals. Attend real estate investing meetups and join local real estate investment groups to connect with other investors in your area. They may be able to provide you with leads on properties that are not yet on the market or share their own experiences and insights on finding investment properties. Some of the best investment opportunities may not be publicly listed on real estate websites or the MLS. Consider working with a real estate agent who has connections in the local market and can help you find off-market properties that meet your investment criteria. You can also try using direct mail campaigns, driving for dollars, or other creative strategies to find off-market properties. When you are looking at potential investment properties, it is important to analyze the numbers carefully to ensure that they align with your investment goals. Look at factors such as the property's cash flow potential, rental rates, vacancy rates, and potential appreciation. Make sure you factor in all the expenses involved in owning the property, including maintenance cost, property taxes, insurance, and any financing cost. Number 6. Secure financing. Unless you have enough cash to purchase a property outright, you'll need to secure financing. This can come in the form of mortgage, private lender, or other sources. Shop around for the best rates and terms to ensure that you are getting the best deal. For example, improve your credit score. Your credit score plays a critical role in securing financing for real estate investing. A higher credit score can help you qualify for better loan terms, such as lower interest rates and larger loan amounts. To improve your credit score, pay your bills on time, reduce your debt-to-income ratio, and dispute any errors on your credit report. Shop around for lenders. Do not settle for the first lender that you come across. Shop around for lenders who offer favorable terms for real estate investors. Consider working with smaller, community-based banks and credit unions, as they may be more willing to work with real estate investors than larger national banks. Consider alternative financing options. Traditional bank loans are not the only way to finance your real estate investment. Consider alternative financing options such as hard money loans, private money loans, or seller financing. These options may have a higher interest rates and fees, but they can provide you with greater flexibility and faster access to financing. Number 7. Make an offer. Once you have found a property that meets your investment goals and passed the due diligence, it is time to make an offer. Work with your real estate agent to negotiate the best deal possible based on your budget and the market conditions. Understanding the seller's motivations can help you make the best offer. For example, if the seller needs to sell quickly, you may be able to make a lower offer and negotiate favorable terms. On the other hand, if the seller is not in a hurry to sell, you may need to make a stronger offer to secure the property. Use a comparative market analysis or CMA. A comparative market analysis can help you determine the fair market value of the property you're interested in. A CMA compares the prices of similar properties in the same area that have recently sold, providing you with valuable information on what you should be offering. This information can also help you negotiate with the seller and make an informed decision about how much to offer. Do you know any other tips on how to start in real estate? Comment down below. Now, back to the video. Number 8. Close the deal. If your offer is accepted, it is time to close the deal. This involves signing the necessary paperwork, transferring funds, and officially taking ownership of the property. Be prepared with all necessary documents. Closing a real estate deal involves a lot of paperwork, including the purchase agreement, title documents, insurance policies, and loan documents if applicable. Be sure to work closely with your real estate agent, attorney, or title company to ensure that you have all the necessary documents in order to close the deal on time. Being prepared with all necessary documents can help prevent any last-minute delays or complications. Conduct a final walkthrough. Before closing on a property, it is important to conduct a final walkthrough to ensure that everything is in order. During the walkthroughs, check to make sure that any repairs or agreed-upon changes have been made and that the property is in the same condition as it was when you made your offer. If any issues arise during the walkthrough, be sure to address them with the seller before closing. In conclusion, investing in real estate can be a great way to build wealth and generate passive income. However, it is important to approach real estate investing with a solid financial plan, a clear understanding of the market, and a team of professionals who can help you guide you through the process. With these 8 tips, you'll be well on your way to success in real estate. This is Ace Wealth Raiser, and we'll see you next time.